Toby. Broke my favorite mug. Can we fix it?
Yeah, if we collect some deer poop, some ash, and some sap, we probably will be able to fix this for you. Let's see if we can go get our stuff that we need and we'll fix you right up, okay?
Okay.
Deer scat will act as a binding agent to help hold the glue together. Sap will be the sticky part of the glue and will be responsible for most of the holding power. The ash will act as a hardener for our glue.
So the first step is going to be to grind up our different things. So our next step is going to be to mix the ash and the deer scat together. So we're going to go ahead and put it into this little container. So now what we are going to do is heat the sap to melt it down. If we were going to do this in the field, we could do it in a mug, an old can, some sort of vessel that can retain heat and stand the heat over a fire top. And it could be used for emergency glue. You can use it for wounds and even waterproofing.
So if you haven't guessed, we made glue, and now we're about to fix Vanessa's mug.
Oh, dang it. My hand keeps sticking to it. My sticky glove was pulling it right off.
Ancient people would have rubbed this on a stick, and then that way they could add it to their toolkit in case they needed any quick repairs. They can also use it on the glue stick. Here, Vanessa, why don't you have a cup of coffee and a new glued mug?
Thanks, Toby. Oh my gosh. Great. That's another quick trip for you. Thanks for joining us.
Here, Vanessa, why don't you have a cup of coffee and a new mug here?
Thanks, Toby.
Okay, Vanessa, it's done. Here you go, as good as new.
Thanks, Toby.
Hey, Mr. Mad Scientist, can we use your lab for a minute?
Why, certainly.